Installation and operation of 1700摄氏度 3-zone crystal growth furnace. The water inlet connector of the equipment is connected to the water inlet of the water cooler. The equipment water outlet connector is connected to the water outlet of the water cooler. This thicker communication line connects to the interface on the top of the device. Tighten the knot. This thinner communication line connects to the interface below the device. Tighten the knot. Connect the power output line of temperature zone 1小时 air. This is the R&D temperature zone. This is the sun temperature zone. The left side corresponds to the live wire. The right side corresponds to the connection of the neutral line. This is temperature zone 1. This is the R&D temperature zone. This is the sun temperature zone. Thermocouples should be connected in corresponding temperature zones. After the power cord is connected, turn on the main power switch. Now you are ready to install the crucible thermocouple. Note this lock nut. To install it to the position of this black line, install the thermocouple from below. Tighten the knot. Note, tighten with a wrench. Connect the crucible thermocouple power wires. Pay attention to distinguish the positive and negative poles. Tighten the screws. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. The other end of the connection device. Tighten the buckle. Power on the device. Click to enter the operation interface. Turn on the water cooler power. Click to move the sample stage. Setting the speed. For example, 200. Click the sample stage to lower. Descending. Remove the crucible after the sample stage drops to the bottom. Place the sample in the crucible. Place the sample on the stage. Click the sample stage to rise. Rising. Turn on the vacuum pump. The vacuum value can be observed above the equipment. Now let's set up the heating curve. This is temperature zone 1. This is air temperature zones. This is sun temperature zones. Take temperature zone E as an example. This means starting from 45 degrees. Heat to 100 degrees in 10 分钟 use. Then heat it up to 200 degrees in 10分钟 use. And so on. The last negative -120 means the end. After setting, click return. Then the second and third temperature zones are adjusted according to the needs. Setting different temperatures. Click on the temperature zone to heat. Click confirm. Now the sun temperature zones start heating simultaneously. If you need to move the furnace, click to move the furnace. Click to move quickly. Click to set the speed. For example, 1000. Then click the furnace to drop. Descending. When the temperature reaches the preset value, the furnace can be moved. Click to move the furnace. can move by hours or minutes. This is the target distance. For example, 5毫米. This is the movement speed. For example, by hour. For example, 5毫米 in 1小时 hour. After the setup is complete, click the furnace to lower. All the furnace rises. When the actual distance reaches 5毫米, will stop automatically. After the test is completed, click Return. Click to stop heating. When the temperature drops. When the safe temperature is reached, the sample can be taken out. Turn off the vacuum pump before taking samples. Click the sample stage to move. Set the speed, for example 300转每分. Click the sample stage to lower. After the sample stage is completely lowered, remove the sample. The experiment is completed.